Welcome back, JDM Jamster Squatters. We're here again with my boy Nick, the famous one that you guys love so much. Tell him what's up, cuz.
What's good? What's good?
So yeah, my boy's shit came a long way, obviously, and yeah, man, that lowering spring life, y'all don't even know where the monster truck at. That shit ain't even there no more. It's not even there. That's perfect fitment, like literally. It's purdy. Let them know that part. But yeah, so today, as you guys probably see in the video, that we'll be doing side skirts. Side skirts. No, it's like a splitter kit. There you go. That's the word, splitter kit. So I'm pretty sure I was looking like, yo, there's no splitter kit anywhere online. So I'm pretty sure we'll be the first ones to do it. Right here, SoFlo, that boy VTech K24. Y'all know the vibes. So yeah, it's simple and simple. Little eBay one. How much that thing cost?
$90, feel me, plus tax. 92, 93.
Exactly.
Something that's not too cheap, so I'm expecting good quality out of it.
All right, all right.
Not that little $30 universal bullshit.
Exactly. All right, so we're gonna get this thing going. All right, y'all. So basically, first step, right? These are the pieces that we got. Like I said, it's just splitter kit. But I'm pretty sure he'll be like the very first one to have it. I'm not sure. I didn't really see anybody with it, but I think he'll be the first one with it. All right. So we just laid it around, all around the car. Obviously, which side goes to what. And yeah. And they gave us like these bolts and stuff, basically, and rubber washers and key Allens. So what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna do like a mock-up. Basically saying mock-up is basically to see how it would look, like get like blue masking tape everything together onto the car and basically see how it would look like final product. But this is, we're gonna do like a pre-look of it. So yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Alright guys, so gotta do a mock-up. My homie came in clutch with the jack. Bro, why you gotta turn your face, bro? It's already catching you. Look at that, that's the homie right there. Alright, cuz. Get home, bro. Be safe.
I don't like the camera.
Hey, he's gonna like the camera today. Came in clutch with the jack. Alright, bro. I'm gonna put his IG on the bottom of the screen below. But anyways, yeah. So we're just basically just did the duct tape to hold it as a mock-up. We're not putting it like that. No, hell no. And basically we're just gonna hold each side and just basically just catch it right there.
Saying to do it my way. I'm just saying that's an explanation. That's it.
Gotcha, all right. Hey, good looks, good looks. So, homie gave us a good idea. It's better to start off with this first, right? It's better as like a 2-3 man job. Tape off the end so you can hold it before you start screwing anything, right? Get an angle, make sure you count these holes. There's visible holes that you count that you're able to screw in where they're supposed to go into. Find the middle, line it up in the middle from the bumper body line, and then just catch it right there, tape it up, and just to hold it, and then we start screwing in the marks each side. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, let's continue. What we're doing first, get on the bottom, you make sure you just have the measurements properly, you have everything lined up. You have each screw lined up. It's better to start off with the edge, 3, 1 in the edge, 1 in the middle, and then start off with the next edge so you can have everything perfectly lined up. And basically that's really it. So let's get to it. Alright, y'all boys, so y'all don't even know this thing looking. Oof. Like, bro. We about to do side skirts next. I ain't gonna show y'all yet. But side skirts next. Oh, y'all probably saw a little peek of it. We got the back jacked up. Jack stands. Alright, let's get to it. Bro. My God. Alright. So I'm about to do a cinematic. Let's just expose this baby girl right here. Let's get it.
verify the year, make, and model so we can pull up your file?
Why they trying to scam us? I really do not know. Car so old, it don't need no warranty, let's go. Change the check, print on mile, fuck it, what's your social? Run it out like Matrix, credit bad, it's a no-go. Heard they wanna be like me, bitch, I ride solo.
Alright guys, I hope you like that little cinematic clip try to put together. But yo, I deadass think that my boy has the cleanest ILX in South Florida. Deadass. I'm sorry, I say like, yo, haven't seen anybody cleaner than this shit. I'm sorry. And the color alone, the OEM color, bro, like, come on, bro. Like, the homie not even done yet, bro. Next thing he say, he go frickin' chrome delete that shit, bro. That shit's gonna make it so much better. So much better, yo. Yeah. So how you feel, cuz? How you feel? How you feel? Homie sound like an old man, cuz.
Yeah. No, I'm playing, but yeah, I'm gonna tune it. What's the other shit I said I was gonna do? Fog lights and then chrome delete that shit. I think I'll be done by then.
That part.
Follow my IG if y'all need any questions or anything.
You already know. He changed it up as VTech K24, right?
Underscore K24.
Sorry, my underscore K24. I put it on the bottom screen right there. So y'all go ahead. We got to do some roll by clips and that's it. But other than that, JDM Justice Squads, love you guys. Deuces. We still going up. Let's hit 300.